Hello and welcome to Edredo. My name is Preetham Prasoon. I am founder and CEO of Ederetto. Yes, I know that I took a lot of time to sit in front of camera and record video, and my teammates have been appreciating me or motivating me a lot to resume recording. But it was really becoming very hard for me to sit in front of camera, look at the camera and pretend that I'm talking to somebody. But as you can see, eventually I'm doing it. The part of the problem was that I wanted to do it perfectly, and if you get into that perfection trap, it becomes very hard, right? So now I'm into the mode where I am ready to make mistakes. I'm open for the feedback. I get feedback from you and I improve, right? So that's how it will work. To set the context of this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what we have been doing, history of this entire initiative, and the way going forward. So we started this product called Techtud. It was a web application, Techtud, which stands for technical student. We inherited some words from there and we created a product around it in 2013. This channel was created during that time only, and we focused on helping computer science students, especially during those days. And I must say that we were able to generate good traction. We had good followers on YouTube and also on various other social media, as well as we were able to get some good result in GATE exams as well. I can proudly say that we were one of the very first to provide free full-length GATE test series in with the name Virtual GATE. Okay, some of you might remember, and we continued it for quite some time, but at some point we had to make it our secondary objective or second priority, and we had to move to something else. And this was partly because we were very much convinced that we should not get into that coaching model of business where we start charging to students for content. It doesn't mean that we have different feeling for them who are doing it, but just that it was not in our plan. We thought differently. Okay, and we did not took that route, and eventually we had to do something else. So I co-founded a new company, OpenSense Labs, which was mostly focused on providing IT services. And I can proudly say that today this company is doing good. We have two offices in India, one in New Delhi and another one we have started in Bhopal. We have some operation branches. I personally operate from Europe. We have recently started our operations in UK, and of course US has been operating for quite some time. So this company is doing good. We have around 120 to 130 strength currently, and it's a multi-million dollar business today. We were also successfully able to automate our processes, and now we have a chain of leadership who are taking care of that company. So I had time, and I had to I had time to think that what is left behind, and of course Techtud was my first priority after I had to resume, or I had taken pause from OpenSense Labs. So I stepped down. I decided that I'll make this my first priority few months ago, and that's when we started reorganizing the things. We rebranded Techtud as Edredo. We have rebuilt the site. You will see that the application is quite mature. We have mobile applications as well, which are in App Store and Play Store. And we have quite good traction so far. So currently we have 2,500 plus active classrooms running on Edredo. It's operational in almost every part of the globe. So today, in almost last 6 months, we have received a very good traction about our application, and very good feedback from the teachers who are using it. They are actively engaging and making or helping us improve the platform as well. So what is the problem we are trying to solve here? The core belief, or our core belief, is that today everyone is trying to solve the problem of delivery in education. So there are two problems in education. One is the delivery, that how content reaches from educators to learners, okay, point A to point B. And then there is this second problem, which is the means of education itself. So the way, it's not the delivery, skip the delivery part, but the way it is transferred. Okay, so for instance, one way could be just, single mode of transmission, like, you are teaching and somebody is listening. Another way could be conversational. Okay, so this pedagogy of the learning, that's what I'm talking about. There is a lot of invention, I believe, is required in the second part of the problem, and that's where we want to work. So we believe that the content is not a problem. um, so if you don't trust me, and of course I believe, most of you understand what I'm saying, because today YouTube has become the second largest used search engine. Okay, not the video platform, search engine. This is because, you have a problem, you go to YouTube and you search it, right? And most of the time, even, for educational contents, you get something from YouTube, isn't it? So content is not a problem, it's mostly the organization of content. And Edredo has built a master platform to organize the content. Okay, so far, whatever is being used to, kind of engage or deliver the content to the audience, so maybe it's WhatsApp group, or maybe it's Discord, or maybe it's a Telegram group. Okay, Edredo is going to revolutionize that particular delivery, or I would say the way it is being consumed. So the content is there. We are going to organize this content in a way so that it becomes very easy to consume as well as engaging. So I'll discuss a lot of features which we have built on Edredo, but that is mostly for teachers. So I'll discuss it into a separate channel, which is Edredo for teachers. Here I'll mostly talk about the things which is like, we'll bring a lot of people for interviews, a lot of success stories to talk about, my experience to share, how I built a separate company which was actually built from the ground zero, right? So that knowledge I can share, and at the same time we can build a lot of people from different industries who can share their experience. Okay, so and I also plan to, of course, have some core learning content here. This is what we are going to do in this channel. I know this channel has been in a very kind of stagnant mode for a long time, but I really require your help. I as you can see, this t-shirt here, I have this t-shirt, but I have gave myself a goal that I'll start using that t-shirt for recording video, or I start wearing it when we have 100,000 subscribers at least. So small milestone, I know that it's close, but still I want to keep myself motivated, and this is what I'm going to do. Of course you can help me with that, but I'll let you process the entire thing which we discussed, which I said, and I hope I see you in the next video. Of course, in the comment section you can always go ahead and tell me what you would like to hear from me in the next video. I will try to cover that. So with this, I'll conclude this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much.